Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock more seashell in Heartopia Colorful's event. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, we can collect the seashell from the ocean cleanup hobby. Then you can view your seashell collection right here. You're going to go to the watch menu, select collection, and scroll all the way to the right until you find the ocean cleanup. And here you will be able to monitor your seashell collection. And I'm going to show you guys how you can unlock more seashell type. As you can see right here that there are still a lot of seashells I haven't unlocked yet. If you want to unlock more seashell, you need to level up your ocean cleanup hobby. You're going to go to the hobby menu. Wait, where is it? Okay, this one. And then you're going to go to the ocean cleanup. Okay, and you can level up your hobby right here. And as you can see, as we level up our hobby, more seashells will be unlocked. I have reached level 4 in my ocean cleanup hobby, and I unlocked 3 seashell. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock more seashell in Heartopia Colorful's event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!